Welcome to the Coastal Craft Film channel. So today we're going to be unboxing the SABRE Carry Confidence. It's a 3-in-1 tool for like self-defense. It comes with a windshield breaker, so you can use it if like you get in the car gets in the water and you have to break the window. And then it comes with a seatbelt cutter and a mace or pepper spray. And it came in a 2-pack, so let's open it up. So there you go. So SABRE is like a very famous brand on Amazon. They have a lot of reviews. So these are the two 3-in-1 self-defense kit that I got. So this is the pepper spray part, and this is a protector part. So if you open this, you can use the mace spray, but we're not going to try that right now. That's the button for the pepper spray. So as you can see, it's the black one, black version. Here's, as you can see, there's like a little metal thing there. This is the seatbelt cutter, and then this part is the windshield breaker. So you can carry it in your keychain or like in your keys, car keys, in your bag, and it's very light. I could barely feel it. It's very light. And here's the teal color that I got. It's the same thing. There is the windshield breaker in the bottom, and then there's the, maybe you could see the seatbelt cutter better, and then there's the spray. So you just open it up like this, but it's skid proof, so you won't like accidentally press it. So there you go. That's what we have today, and let me see what it comes here. So it came with instructions. So it's a pepper gel. It's actually called a pepper gel. So I'm going to show you this manual. There's 3-in-1, maximum strength red pepper, seatbelt cutter, and a window breaker. So severe irritant contents under pressure, 15 grams. So there's the instruction formula. It's a gel. What does pepper gel do? May cause involuntary eye closure, difficulty breathing, facial burning. So there you go. Carry it with you at all times. Practice outside and test spray semi-annually with a quick burst into the ground. I might try it later, but I don't want to waste it. Deploy when you feel your safety is in jeopardy or you're being attacked. I might try it later just to make sure it's working. Spray from ear to ear across the eye. So that's the instruction. How do I deploy my SABRE pepper gel? So slip the thumb on the flip top. There's the instruction for the windbreaker. Place the thumb over the top, and there you go. So here's 25 bursts. So it says it has 25 bursts. I might try once. Belt cutter, cut safely, malfunctioning seatbelts in seconds. Window breaker protected by a silicone ring. Use steel tip to puncture window for quick escape. So let me see here. Oh, there's actually a little thing here that you can remove. I think you can remove that to so that you can use the window breaker fully. There you go. So there's a QR code for the video tips and instructions. So that's our review for today. I hope this video helps. I'm going to link the product in the description. I got it from Amazon. See you in the next one.
That's so cool.
Before I leave, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna put it in my bag. I already have here. I have one. This is actually This is an alarm that I got. The alarm I have that would work really good with this one, so I'm just gonna put them together. So like I have like my own self-defense kit when I go places with my kids. So there you go. So that's not really very big. All right, thank you for watching. Bye bye.